Welcome all. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about wave propagation in parallel plate waveguide. So let's discuss about its name, that is parallel plate waveguide first. So here the term waveguide is a passive device which guides the wave through it, and the parallel plate here describes the shape of the waveguide. So this is all about the parallel plate waveguide. Now we have the coordinates like x, y and z, and we have vertically oriented y-axis in this direction, and we also have the horizontally oriented x-axis, and here the third axis, that is z-axis, which is being perpendicular to both the x as well as y-axis. Now let us assume a plate that is being aligned along x-axis, having the width, that is w, at y equals to 0. So here is the y equals to 0 point, and we are assuming here a plate. So this is the plate which aligns with x-axis, and let us assume another plate over it at y equals to d, which is being parallel to the bottom plate. So here is the y equals to d, and we are assuming another plate here. So this is the top plate at y equals to d, and this is the bottom plate at y equals to 0. These two plates are parallel to each other. So these two plates are being called as parallel plate waveguide, and these two plates are being separated by the distance, that is d only. So let me write it. These are two parallel plates termed as parallel plate waveguide. And the separation between these two plates is d. Now these two plates are being separated by the dielectric material, having the permeability that is equals to mu and the permittivity that is equals to epsilon. Here the separation d is very less, and the length of the plate, that is represented by w. So this is the w, and this is the distance between these two plates, that is represented by d. And we are assuming that the separation between these two plates, that is D, is very less as compared to the width or the length of these plates. So D is very less than W. Separation that is represented by D is very less than width of parallel plates. This parallel plates supports the three mode of propagation. So it supports three modes of propagation. And these three modes are TEM mode, TE mode and TM mode. These are the three modes that is being supported by parallel plate waveguide. Here TEM mode represents transverse electromagnetic mode, TE mode represents transverse electric mode and TM mode represents transverse magnetic mode. These three modes are started with the term that is transverse. So what do you mean by this transverse? See, transverse means it represents the normal or the perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. And let's discuss the TEM mode first. So it stands for transverse electromagnetic mode, and here E represents the electric field. Having the component that is EX, EY and EZ. If we talk about the rectangular coordinate system, then it will have three coordinates. Here there will be also a magnetic field which is being represented by H. And in the rectangular coordinate, this magnetic field have also the three coordinates, that is Hx, Hy and Hz. These are the three components of the magnetic field. And let's discuss about the TE mode. So here is TE mode. Say TE modes represents transverse electric mode. In this case, the electric field component, that is Ex, is absent. So Ex is absent here. And remaining all the component, that is Ey, Ez, Hx, Hy and Hz are present. So rest of the component are present here. And the third mode, that is TM mode. TM mode represents transverse magnetic mode. In this mode, only one component is absent, that is Hx. So this is the magnetic field component in the x direction and it is absent in transverse magnetic mode. And rest all the components are being present in this mode. So this is all about the basic introduction about parallel plate waveguide. And we will see the derivation separately for TEM mode, TE mode and TM mode. That will be very useful for the exam point of view. Thank you. If you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and please hit the like button.